Welcome to Bandidos PITSTOP, India's #1 motorcycle accessories and race tech store. So if you follow our channel, last time around we did videos about helmets and jackets. This time around we have a new video about gloves. So in this video we'll be checking out all the gloves available in the Indian market from across the budget range, starting as low as 400 rupees all the way up to 9,000 rupees. Even though the starting price for a gloves is just 160 rupees from Knighthood, we won't be checking out that model. Instead, we'll be looking at this gloves from Axe. It's a comfortable daily ride gloves from Axe. It is made with mesh fabric which ensures you're cool and comfortable in daily riding or traffic conditions. It also has a knuckle protector and a finger joint protector. This gloves is ideal for daily riding purposes. Now, it feels very nice on your hand, it fits very good and is very comfortable. The gloves offers good grip and also very good reach. This one from Axe is a great daily riding gloves, especially if you're on a budget. Now this you can use to ride to your office or your daily riding purposes. However, I don't recommend it for longer rides. Now this one is priced at just 420 rupees. Now it offers great protection and great value for the price that it sells for. Now, if you're looking for an alternate option other than the Axe, then the Sspec might be for you. Now, this one comes with almost the same features, that is the same kind of mesh material. It has knuckle guards, the finger protectors and everything else. However, the knuckle guards are slightly different from the Axe model. Now, this one is priced at around 480 rupees. Now, if you're looking to get more out of this 500 rupees budget mark, then this gloves might be for you. Now, this is an unbranded generic gloves, but it offers a lot more than what the others are doing. This is again a very comfortable gloves to wear, but where it offers more is what matters, because here it has a knuckle guard, it also has a finger guard. Now it also gives another protection here. It comes with a slider and a dotted grip. This unbranded gloves comes at just around 480 rupees, which means the same price but with better features. Moving on to a more expensive option. Priced at around 720, this one from Stud is another daily wear and very comfortable glove. This gloves comes with standard features. It has breathable mesh material which will ensure you're comfortable in daily and long rides. It has knuckle protectors, finger protectors, sliders on both outside and inside the gloves. Also, it has a textured grip which offers a better grip and better riding feel. The Velcro also feels very nice and feels good quality. This one is priced at just 720 rupees. Lastly, in the 1000 budget mark, we have the Berufen Gloves. Berufen feels a little more premium compared to the other models in this range. Now, you can use a smartphone with this gloves. It is one of the specialty. I think this is the entry-level model gloves where you can start doing it. Other than that, this is a breathable material. It has knuckle protectors, finger protectors, and good Velcros. The Berufen is priced at just 780 rupees. Now, moving on from 1000 to under 2000. In this budget, we have the LS2 Gloves. Now, this is one of my favorites in this budget. The outer shell of this glove is made with cow leather and the inner is made with polyester. It has knuckle guards, finger protectors, it comes with a rain wiper and an inner slider made with fabric materials. The Velcro on this is also very nice, it also feels premium, and like any other premium gloves, this is touch compatible. This glove from LS2 is priced at 1,999 rupees. So if your budget is around 2000 mark, then this gloves from LS2 is what I recommend. Let's go a bit more premium. This time around 3000. Now we have two favorite gloves under 3000 rupees. The BBG Breeze and the Rynox Urban. The BBG Breeze is one of my favorite because it is made with high quality leather. It has good quality knuckle protectors, finger protectors, and it feels great to wear. Now, the Velcro on this is high quality. Also, this is smartphone compatible. What makes BBG very special is the fact that it is made for Indian conditions, which means that it offers the right amount of protection and the right amount of comfort for Indian weather and road conditions. The BBG Breeze is priced at just 2,500 rupees. If you ask me, this product is worth the money. Another option in this under 3K budget mark is this Rynox Urban Gloves. This Rynox glove is made with a mix of leather, polyester and some other components. Now, it offers very good protection on the knuckle, on the fingers and sliders on the inside and the outside. The Velcros are very premium, this is smartphone friendly and the reach and the grip with this glove is very good. This Rynox gloves is priced at 2,850, so it is a bit expensive than the BBG but totally worth it. Moving on to more premium gloves, that is gloves under 4,000 rupees. In this budget we have two recommendations, the Rynox Tornado Pro 3 and the Alpinestars Reef. Let's start with the Tornado Pro 3 gloves. This can be considered as the upgrade to Rynox Shield Pro 2 gloves. It comes with C certification and it has impact resistance, abrasion resistance, tear resistance, cut resistance, etc. Talking about comfort, this is one of the comfortable gloves I've worn in some time. Now, the grip feels very nice, the reach is also very good. Talking about the protection aspect, the knuckle is Heratron polyurethane protection. On the inside, there are two Knox SPS sliders. Now, these sliders are patented technology which ensures that whenever you fall, it slides instead of taking more damage. On the fingers, there are TPU inserts. Now, like other premium gloves, this one is also touchscreen friendly and is priced at 3,150 rupees. If you're not that a fan of Rynox, that is, you want another brand, or if you don't mind spending a bit more amount of money, then you can go for this Loneranger glove. This is a full gauntlet glove. That is what makes this glove very special. It also has the right features at the right price. The 3,999 price is a very special point. Why? Because that is where the Alpinestar makes its first entry. This Alpinestar Reef is the entry-level riding glove from Alpinestar for daily rides and daily commutes. Since this is the entry-level model, it cannot be compared to the other ones. Why? Because it is not full leather, as you can see. This is a completely mesh, very comfortable material designed and developed by Alpinestar to make you comfortable for daily rides. Talking about the protection, it lacks a little at this price point. Why? Because it has just a knuckle protector, nothing on the fingers, nothing on the inside, just a slider here, and that's it. But what it lacks in protection, it makes up for in comfort. But it is also understandable because this is the entry-level model. This is also a daily gloves instead of a long riding or racing gloves. Lastly, this one is priced at 3,999. If your budget is around 4K to 5K, then we have just one recommendation for you. That is the BBG Racer Gloves. This Racer glove is a full gauntlet racing gloves coming from Viking Brotherhood gears. This gloves gives you protection to the wrist, to these knuckles, the fingers, to the inside through sliders, and everywhere. This is a completely leather made gloves and is very comfortable to wear. However, since this is leather, it might not be ideal for your daily ride or daily ride purposes. It might be good for your tracks or long touring rides. Lastly, this is priced at 4,500 Indian National Rupees. Right at the price point of 5,000, we have the Rynox Storm Evo 2 gloves. Again, this is also full gauntlet gloves coming from the house of Rynox. Material-wise, this is a full leather gloves. When it comes to protection, it offers protection on your wrist, on your knuckle, on your finger, and there's sliders on the inside. As you can see, there's carbon fiber slider on the wrist, there's PVC knuckle protectors, there's HD foam inserts on the fingers, and SPS Knox sliders on the inside. Velcros on this are also very nice. This is smartphone compatible and it's priced at 5,000 rupees. The next one on our list is a little more expensive. Why? Because it's not 6K, 7K or 8K. This is priced at 8,999, just under 9K. This is the Alpinestar SPX Air Carbon V2. This is the next glove available from the Alpinestar range. This is the half summer riding gloves with leather and other materials. It offers protection on the knuckle, on the fingers, there's sliders on the inside and the outside to give you more protection. The Velcros on this feels premium. This is smartphone compatible and overall build quality is very good. This gloves from Alpinestar is priced at 8,999. Moving on to the final gloves in this list, the Alpinestar Valparaiso Drystar. What makes this glove special is this, the Drystar. What this means is that this is ideal and made for rainy rides. It comes with a rain wiper. This is completely waterproof material. It has knuckle protectors, finger protectors, and foam sliders on the inside. Lastly, this gloves is priced at 9,999. So guys, that's it for this video about gloves. If you think we have missed something, please let us know in the comments. If you've liked this video, please do like. If you've loved this video, please do share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.